Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast iOS 16. An unusual battery drain issue is one of the worst things to occur with your iPhone after iOS 16 installed. This issue can persist even with the latest software update. There are reports of many battery drain issues from the general public. So, are you running iOS 16 as well? Do you often find yourself with an empty iPhone battery even before the day ends? So, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. First thing you should go for, turn off your location services. So, for this, just go to your settings and then here you have your option of privacy and security. Click on it and at the top there is an option of location services. Just turn it off and you are done. The second thing you should go for is remove unnecessary widgets from the home screen. Just hold onto the widget and remove it. And you are done. The next step is use dark mode. For this, just go to your settings and here you have the option of display and brightness. Click on it and use dark mode and you are done. And the next step is disable background app refresh. For this, just go to your settings and then click on general. Here you have the option of background app refresh. Click on it and turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn on auto brightness. For this, just go to your settings, click on it, scroll down little and here you have the option of accessibility. Click on it and here you have the option of display and text size. Click on it, scroll down and here you have the option of auto brightness. Turn it on and you are done. And the next step is quite unnecessary app. Just swipe up and close all the apps running in the background and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone regularly. And the next step is disable automatic updates. For this, just go to your settings and then click on general and here you have an option of software update. Click on it and just turn it off and you are done. And the next thing you should go for is disable automatic updates for apps. Just go to your setting, scroll down little and here you have the option of App Store. Click on it and here turn off app updates if it is on and you are done. And the next step is enable optimized battery charging. For this, just go to your settings, click on it, scroll down and click on battery and here you have the option of battery health and charging. Click on it and enable this option and you are done. And the next step is turn on low power mode. Just go to your settings, scroll down and click on battery and turn on low power mode and you are done. These are some of the long tested and trusted solutions to increase the iPhone battery life. I hope you followed the recommendation here according to your usage. So also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.